Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to see an informal letter from the friend to another friend about the trip. So here the friend Mali is writing to her friend and she is writing about her journey and trip towards Uti, especially in Uti what happened. The the journey of the journey by the train. So what we are going to learn here is we are going to I'm going to I'm going to recite or say an informal letter in the verbal form, not in a written form. Just I'm going to say in verbal form. You are going to listen carefully to this informal letter. Then you can answer the questions given below. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. So, as we have seen informal letter, the format is like this. It starts with place and date, then salutation, dear Mali. Okay, so let's go. Trip to Ooty, Coimbatore, 2011-2017. Dear Mali, thanks for your letter and it was great to hear from you. You asked me to tell you about my trip to Ooty with my friends. I had the most wonderful time. 20 girls and boys from class 6 went on the trip. Our class teacher, Geeta madam, and two others took us. My grandmother has told me about the beautiful journey to Ooty by the toy train many times. She said that it was a spectacular trip up trip up and down the slopes with birds and trees dancing along. Ooty is so close to Coimbatore, but I have never been there nor seen the train. So I was really thrilled when the school arranged this trip. You can imagine how excited I was when I stepped into the toy train with my friends. I looked around at the wooden chairs with cushion seats and oil painted walls as I put my bag on the mess of the luggage rack. I was bubbling over with excitement. Hi Fatima, isn't this fun? I called out as my friend came into the compartment. Come, sit here. I have kept a seat for you. You can keep your bag next to mine. What have you brought to eat? Paratha and delicious chutney. Did you see the train? It's so beautiful, Fatima replied. Our teacher Geeta madam came around to see if everyone was. The train is about to leave, so everyone, she said. Just then the train started with a jerk. It moved very slowly, leaving the station with a long hoot. Everyone clapped. The train went snaking up the steep hillside, weaving its way through forest of tall trees swaying in the breeze. One of the boys, Muthu, said, "It is going so slowly. I can walk along its side." And he got up to go to the door. From the other end, the teacher saw him and said in a firm voice, "Muthu, go back to your seat at once." The girls sniggered and Muthu sat down with a long face. So, dear children, I hope you have listened this informal letter from Molly to her friend, and I hope, sorry, friend to Molly. So friend is writing to Mali, her friend. So I hope you have understood the trip, how it was. It's just the journey started, only those things we have seen. So here you can read and understand more. Then in the next video we will be looking at the next thing to learn. Trip to Ooty. Thank you, students.